Today I have something very important to share with you. I found this recipe on pizza dough, and it said I needed 700 grams of flour, but I don't usually measure in grams. And I looked up how to convert 700 grams of flour into cups, and it said 5.5 cups and 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna measure the way I normally do, which is scooping. Use my knife to level it. Here's 1 cup. So I measured 5.5 cups plus 2 tablespoons, which is what it says is 700 grams converted into cups. But this is 755 grams. Now that is me scooping it, so now we're gonna try spooning the flour into the cup and then measuring it. This to see how much it weighs. The time's out. Okay, so spooning it in. It's 700 and yeah, it's about 700. Maybe even a little less actually. This is strange. I'm just going to spoon in a few cups until it reaches 700. And I'm actually going to scoop it because that's the way I normally do it. I don't want to have to spoon it every time. So I'm going to scoop it and see how many cups it is with me scooping it. How many cups 700 grams really is. We're there. 5 cups and 3 tablespoons is how much 700 grams really is of flour. That is crazy. The reason I think why sometimes when I make vanilla cake it turns out kind of dense, maybe it's because I'm using too much flour, you know? And the lesson here is you really have to measure your ingredients. And if you don't have a scale, it's okay. Just make sure you take that extra time to, you know, measure it out, like spoon it into the cup, because it is a lot more accurate. But if you do have a scale, definitely use it. It's just crazy how different it is. This has changed my life, honestly. I'm gonna go make some pizza with this flour. I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.